Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it's dinner time and instead of scrubbing stuck-on gunk from your old pots and pans, you're flipping eggs or searing steak with zero oil and everything slides right off like magic. Plus, no harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Sounds like kitchen heaven, right? Well, today we're firing up the GreenPan Valencia Pro ceramic non-stick cookware set, and let me tell you, this PFAS-free powerhouse could make your cooking life way easier and healthier. If you're done with scratch Teflon nightmares and ready for cookware that heats evenly and cleans like a dream, stick around. By the end, you'll be stocking your cabinets. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down the features that make the GreenPan Valencia Pro a total standout. This set comes with 10 essential pieces: 2 frying pans at 8 and 10 inches, 2 saucepans at 2 and 3/4 with lids, a 12-inch sauté pan with lid, a 3-quart skillet with lid, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid, so it's got you covered for everything from quick breakfast to family feast. The body is hard-anodized aluminum, super durable and lightweight, weighing in at about 2 to 5 pounds per piece, making it easy to handle without feeling cheap. The star is the Thermalon ceramic nonstick coating, mineral-based and totally free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, safe for you and the planet. It heats up fast and evenly thanks to the magnetized base that's fully induction compatible, working on all stovetops from gas to electric. Oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You can go straight from stove to oven without skipping a beat, and the Stay Cool stainless steel handles stay comfy even on high heat. Lids are tempered glass with steam vents, so you can peek without losing flavor. Dimensions are practical. The 10-inch skillet is about 18 inches across with handle, stacking neatly to save space. It's dishwasher safe for lazy cleanups, but hand washing keeps it pristine longer. No pre-seasoning needed, just rinse and go. This set's design screams versatility. Low sides for easy stirring, high walls for splatter control, and that ceramic surface means you can use metal utensils without scratching. I love how it distributes heat so your veggies don't burn while the sauce simmers perfectly. Overall, it's built for real home cooks who want pro results without the fuss. All right, time for the pros and cons, because honesty is key to picking the right gear. On the pro side, the non-stick performance is unreal. Food glides off with a whisper, even after months of use, and no oil needed for healthier meals that taste amazing. Users go wild for the even heating. No more hot spots scorching your stir-fry, and induction fans say it rivals cast iron without the weight. The PFAS-free coating is a huge win for health-conscious families. Peace of mind knowing no toxins are sneaking into dinner. Cleanup, a dream, wipes clean with a sponge, and dishwasher cycles hold up great. Sturdy build lasts through daily abuse, oven versatility shines for casseroles, and at around $200 for 10 pieces, it's a bargain compared to pricier brands. Reviewers praise the cool handles that let you grab mid-cook, and the set's stackability frees up cabinet chaos. Bottom line, it saves time, reduces waste, and makes cooking fun again. Now the cons, because nothing's flawless, and I want you armed with the full scoop. It's not cheap up front. $200 stings if you're on a super tight budget, though it pays off long-term. The ceramic coating, while tough, can lose some slickness after a year of heavy use if you crank the heat too high. Stick to medium for max life. A few folks noted minor warping on larger pieces after the oven runs over 400 degrees, but that's rare with proper care. Not ideal for super high heat searing like professional steakhouses, where cast iron might edge it out, and while metal utensil safe, aggressive scraping could dull it over time. Dishwasher use is convenient, but some say hand washing preserves the nonstick better. Colors might fade slightly with lots of washing, but the functional black stays sharp. For massive entertaining sets, you might need extras, but for everyday, it's spot on. So with all that in play, do I recommend the GreenPan Valencia Pro set? Absolutely, yes, especially if you're building a healthier kitchen, love induction cooking, or just hate scrubbing pans. The pros like effortless nonstick and eco-safety far outweigh the cons for most home chefs, turning meal prep from chore to joy. It's perfect for beginners, busy parents, or anyone ditching old toxic cookware. If that hits home, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. It's the best spot for current pricing and any flash deals. Before we wrap, if these kitchen deep dives get your gears turning, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more gear that simplifies life. And please, use that affiliate link below. It keeps the reviews coming your way. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the GreenPan Valencia Pro through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for tuning in, friends. If this sizzled for you, give it a like, share with your cooking crew, or subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.